Dear students, in continuation to our previous model, so in this current model, let me introduce new product development process. Process in the sense there are some stages in the new product development. So those stages we are going to understand in this model. In view of this, the learning objective of this module is to understand the elements of new product development process. So in the new product development process, there are different phases, or you can say stages, starting from idea generation. So idea generation leads to idea screening as a second stage. Then it is followed by concept development and testing, marketing strategy, business analysis, product development, test marketing, and finally commercializations. So these are the 8 different stages in product development. Now let us look at each one to understand the overall new product development process. The first thing is idea generations. I think we have already discussed in previous modules exclusively on idea generation, how idea is generated by an entrepreneur while no, while thinking to start new venture. So idea generation is the systematic search for new product ideas obtained internally and from the customers, competitors, distributors, and suppliers. So these are the various the sources on which no, the analysis happens, and finally new product idea emerges. When you just look at the second step, idea screening. So idea screening is the process to spot good ideas and drop poor ones as no, soon as possible. So many companies have a systematic for rating and screening ideas which estimates the market size, product price, development time and cost, manufacturing cost, rate of returns, and then the idea is evaluated against a set of general company criteria. So this is the way we just screen the ideas, and then we'll just finalize the right idea for further no, process. The third step or stage in the new product development process is the concept development and testing. So it has again three levels, like developing product idea into alternative the product concepts. The second, concept testing, test the product concepts with groups of target customers, because when we have new idea in developing new product, so that has to be tested in the market, the concept of the product, why it is and what for it is, what is the the benefit for the customers, end users. So such things supposed to be clarified at the testing level. Then the third one is to choose the best one. So out of that, we are just going to now find out the best one after verifying with the market. So the fourth one in the new product development process is marketing strategy development. So marketing strategy, the statement formula is the part one. No, it's like describes the overall the target market, the planning product positioning, the sales and profit goals, and market share. So these are the main issues in the part one. Then part two, describes a short term the products, the planned price, distribution, the market budget. So part three again you can see that describes the long term, like a sales and profit goals and market mix strategy. Like you have so three different levels, like the part one, the overall describe, and then describing short term, describing long term. Like all these are related to the market share, market strategy, and sales and profit related issues. Then the fifth one, no, the fifth step in the entire the process is the product no, development, and then the sixth one, the sixth one is product development, and fifth one business analysis. You can see that business analysis and then review of product sales and cost, and then profit projection to see if they meet the company's objectives. So this way you can see that no, all the dimensions that are there in the product. So business analysis that happens no, as a whole, how we are going to organize and then no, conduct the entire operations, and then the product development. Further after seeing the acceptance of the product in the market. So these things are taken into considerations to analyze further the product the development. So the seventh one is the test marketing. So it is all about the standard test market and control test market and simulated test market. Standard test market is the full marketing campaign in a small number of representative cities. Right, it is standard one, and the controlled test market is a few stores so that have agreed to carry new product for a fee. Right, so that is the another dimension. Like a simulation test market is the test is in a simulated shopping environment to a sample of consumers. So these are the three different types of no, testing market, right? So then the eighth one is all about the commercialization of the product. Finally, the commercialization is the introduction of the new product into the marketplace, like when, where, to whom, and then how. So these are the certain things are actually answered and then clarified for further action in bringing out the product into the market for commercialization purpose. So this is a comprehensive table that indicates that so the product strategy and the product development process like idea generation and screening, idea concept testing, and the business analysis, designing, prototype, and market testing, and commercialization. So these are the no, the main stages in the product strategy and then product development process. So you can see and you can understand the entire process. Right. So with this, let me stop here this module, and then thank you very much. I'm looking forward to meet you in video 56.